The following table gives the color code for carbon resistance, letters, color, figure, multiplier, figure, figure. B B R O Y G B V G W. Color: black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, white. Figure: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Multiplier: 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3, 10 power 4, 10 power 5, 10 power 6, 10 power 7, 10 power 8, 10 power 9. Figure: gold, silver, no color. Figure: 5%, 10%, 20%. To remember the colors in correct sequence, one may remember B.B. Roy in Great Britain, his very good wife. The capital letters correspond to colors in the correct sequence. Now let's see drift velocity of free electrons. When we join the end of the metallic wire to the battery, a potential difference is established across the terminals of the wire. An electric field is developed throughout the wire. This field accelerates the electrons, but the speed of the electrons does not increase continuously because they lose energy due to collision with the positive ions. Thus, the electric field gives a constant average velocity to the free electrons along the length of the wire. This velocity is called drift velocity of electrons. The order of drift velocity is 10 power minus 3 meter per second. Consider a metal having n free conduction electrons per unit volume. Let V1 be the random velocity of a conduction electron just after collision with a positive ion. When a potential difference is applied across the metal, an electric field E is set up. The force on each electron is minus E. The force acts on the electron in a direction opposite to the direction of the electric field. The momentum gained by the electron equal to Ft1 equal to E tau. Here tau is the time interval between two successive collisions of a conduction electron, also called relaxation time. Therefore, Vd equal to minus E tau upon m equal to minus E tau upon m into E. In above equation, Vd represents average drift velocity of the electrons. The negative sign just indicates that electrons drift in a direction opposite to the field E. The average drift speed Vd equal to E tau upon m into E. Now let's see the relation between current and drift velocity. If n equal to number of free electrons per unit volume, A equal to cross section area, Vd equal to drift speed